Welcome to Fitness Parts Pro, a website dedicated to helping you find the parts you need for your exercise equipment. So we're not only going to provide parts for you guys, but we're also going to provide videos so you can see how to install your part after you bought it. You may look at some of the videos first and find out that you don't even need a part, or you may order the wrong part from someone. So sometimes the videos on how to install things can give you an idea of what you actually need. I'm also going to do videos on how to adjust belts and rollers. I've been doing this for about 25 years now, and I started about a year and a half ago on YouTube doing some of the self-help rollers, motors, things like that. And so then I decided to start this website to sell the parts so that I can match the parts up with the videos, just to make it a little bit easier for you to really install. So if I can be of any service to you guys, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and you can email when you call me at my number or link below. Thank you very much.